ke Modisa Mokgobinyane ke tswa ke le ko Mafikeng Runners Club mo Mafikeng. So my preparations Comrades, it started ka January. Well, it was a bit slow, but we had a program the coaches and other runners who have been co-comrades for a number of times. So usually what we do, how our training looks like, we had runs kadi Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and also kadi weekends we have the long runs. Long runs meaning anything 21 and above. Different routes. Sometimes we do it around Mafikeng, sometimes we go Zirast where we have a hill towards the route Botswana, because there's quite a steep hill there that we use, because as you know, KZN is full of hills, so we experience a lot of hills there. Part of our training include the races which includes your Soweto Marathon, your Sanlam Cape Town Marathon, Two Oceans Marathon, Dam, N12, and also the Klerksdorp Marathon. So mainly the ultra marathon, meaning your 42 kilometers, your 50 and your 56 kilometers. So my preparation last year, completely, it was my first, I was a novice, it was my first Comrades marathon. I finished 11:45, which is actually 15 minutes before the cutoff time, 12 hours. And I hope I'll improve. The aim is to improve this year to finish sub 11, meaning finishing before the 11 hour. Anything, if I can finish a bit earlier than that, then I think it will be a bonus. I think because last year as well, one was nervous and there was a bit of mistakes here and there, which we said and discussed with the team in terms of what went wrong, and you correct those things. Whatever you are using in terms of your gel and supplements that you have prior to the race and even during the race, you look at what worked for you, what might have not worked for you, and it really a few adjustments. I have tested those mainly the Two Oceans Marathon Dam, and also we had a training run which was the last ultra run that we did, which was from Grot Mariko to Zirast, which was 60. So if you did anything between 60 and 50, it's fairly good enough, before the race, which is a month before. So yeah, that's how my training went throughout up until we'll see Sunday how things go.